Mm. I was walking through the quiet, empty streets, chasing shadows, counting broken dreams. And then you smile out, and everything just changed, like the sun breaking through the rain. I didn't know what I was missing till you found me in the dark. You feel like home in a world I don't know, like a fire that keeps me warm in the cold. Every heartbeat whispers your name. Nothing ever feels the same when you're close. I'm not alone. You're my heart, you're my home. Every word you say is like a song, playing softly, pulling me along. Even silence feels so right with you, like the stars know what we're going through. I was lost before I met you, now I see with open eyes. You feel